The e-learning center at Prince Sultan University presents this video tutorial on Octopus audio tools. 2 essential functions: importing audio and recording audio on intelligent touchboard. In this video, we will provide a comprehensive overview of this tool and guide you on how to effectively utilize these functions in your classroom. To import audio: 1. Click Import Audio button. 2. Browse and select the audio file you want to import. 3. Press Open. 4. Click the play icon to play the imported audio. Test audio. 5. Tap the pause icon to pause the audio. 6. Close the audio player by clicking the X or dragging it to the trash. The audio recording tool utilizes the primary recording equipment of your operating system by default. You can switch between full and compact views by using the Minimize, Maximize button located at the top right of the tool. To start recording audio: 1. Click the red button to begin recording audio. 2. Tap the button again to pause and resume recording as needed. 3. Save your audio recording by clicking the green checkmark button. 4. An input box will appear, prompting you to name the recording. Enter the desired name and click the green checkmark. 5. Your recording will now be visible in the audio tool's archive area. 6. To load the audio, either drag it onto a background or click the Add plus icon. Thank you for watching. And if you need any further support, contact us through the following mediums.